Requiring details on local SEO? Do you want to rank your local business in Google, Bing, Apple Maps, and other local search engines? You're in the right place. 46% of all Google searches are local. Yet 56% of local retailers haven't even claimed their Google My Business listing. For those of you that are unaware, claiming and optimizing your Google My Business listing is the cornerstone of local SEO. If 56% of businesses haven't even claimed their GMB listing, well, I doubt they've done much else. But while claiming your Google My Business listing is a good starting point, there's much more to local SEO than that. This 6-part actionable guide tackles the lot. From start to finish. Let's go. Local SEO refers to the process of optimizing your online presence to attract more business from relevant local searches. These searches take place on Google and other search engines. That last point is an important one. This isn't just about Google. People search for local businesses using various search engines. Google, Bing, Yelp, Apple Maps, etc. Get in touch with us shortly for more information on local SEO.
Thanks for sticking with us so far. If you have any questions or would like to get in touch with us, then you can contact us via the website you see on the screen right now.